Hi children. So today I'm going to teach you one different type of artwork. It's very interesting. I want to teach you how to paint the bulb. So this is a bulb, general bulb. It's available in market 10-15 rupees, or at home you are having this bulb. So you can take out that one and you can paint. It will look very beautiful. So this is a 60 watts bulb. You can take any watts bulb, no issue. What you have to do for this coloring, we are having two methods. One is a transparent color scheme, another is opaque color scheme. So in transparent color scheme, if you want to use more bright different colors in your room, so then you have to use these transparent glass colors. These are vehicle company colors. You can use these transparent glass colors. This one also very cheap, and they will give a beautiful effect. Another is there. With this we are going to make a transparent glass painting color in this bulb. Another technique is there. For example, you are not having colors, so if you have any colors, watercolors, any water medium, for example I have this Rangila color, it's a 10 rupees color. So this color also you can use. What you have to do, along with this you have to mix the fevicol and apply for your design whatever you will make in this bulb. So this is the one technique which is called opaque. Another is a transparent. This is the transparent techniques. So now I will teach you both the method how to make a beautiful bulb. Immediately you do it and post to me in my WhatsApp number. Okay children, all the best. Shall we start now? We are going to start now. First we will start with transparent painting. Okay, for transparent bulb painting you have to use the glass colors, such type of glass colors. So in this, one outliner will be there. You have to use this outliner. You have to take this lead and fix it here. See, if you will put pressure, color will come out from this. Now you have to draw the design. So I'm making the design here. Yes, like this thick outline you have to do it. Now you have to continue here one more layer. Yes, you can see this design. Lotus model. Now upper side. So here you have to draw the bubbles in a circular form. Yes, so this is the design which I made. Like this you can draw any design, no problem. And now this one, leave it for dry purpose. Let them dry. So I am keeping one side. You can see this one also 60 watts bulb. For this I am using general material which is available at home. So first you have to take a permanent marker pen. With this you have to draw the design. Fevicol. So what you have to do, take little Fevicol in a mixing plate. After applying, this color will look very light. Don't worry, because we applied the Fevicol now. We need that transparency here. So now you take the pink color, put one dot, and you have to spread that one. So don't put lot of color, because this shape is in curve shape. Without leaving any white space, you have to fill it. Let them dry. After that, I will show you how it will work. Children, you can draw any one bulb. Either suppose you are having glass colors. If you have glass colors, use the glass colors and make it like this transparent bulb painting. Suppose you are not having glass colors, then you have to use the Rangila color, whatever is available at home, and you have to paint like this. So any one bulb you have to paint it and post to me in given number. Everybody will get the participation certificate from Pidilite company, and you are having the prizes also. Okay, all the best, children.